Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send WhatsApp notification on FlexiFunnels sales. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new sale or a new order from FlexiFunnels, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer. So for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use message 24/7, and for my objective, I have to build a connection between FlexiFunnels and WhatsApp. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use FlexiFunnels. In action application, I'm going to use message 24/7. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send WhatsApp notification on FlexiFunnels sales. So I'm selling my product through FlexiFunnels, and now I'm getting a lot of sales. So what I want is that whenever I get a new order for a product from FlexiFunnels, then I want to send a notification message on WhatsApp to my customer that their order has been placed. So for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use message 24/7. And with this, I can send template messages on WhatsApp without getting blocked. So here I want all this to happen automatically. And for doing all this automatically, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build a connection between FlexiFunnels and message 24/7, and that too without any coding and programming skills. Now what is going to happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new order from FlexiFunnels, then automatically I'm going to send a notification message to my customer that their order has been placed. Now for using Pabbly Connect, I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp notification on FlexiFunnels sale. Now I have to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this option of WhatsApp messages, so I'm going to select this. So this will be my folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window for our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be FlexiFunnels. So I'm going to select FlexiFunnels here. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new purchase will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to connect FlexiFunnels with Pabbly Connect. And for that, I'm going to use this webhook URL. And this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting FlexiFunnels in my workflow, I have to follow all these instructions. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Now I will take you to my FlexiFunnels account. Here I will go to products. And in this, I have this one product of web camera. So I'm going to use this particular product. So I have to open this. And here I have this option of set rules. So I'm going to open that. Now here I have to add new product rules. So I have to click here on this set product rules button. And now first I have to open this tab of views. So I'm going to open this, and I'm going to select webhook here. Now here I have set up my trigger, and here in the when tab, I have selected this option of product is purchased. Now I have to give the webhook name. So my webhook name is going to be FlexiFunnels sales. And now I have to give a webhook URL. So I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have to click on save. And here I have successfully added my webhook. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I have to create a new sale or a new order for my product of web camera. So for this, I'm going to go to my sales page. And this is my sales page of my webcam, which is of 500 rupees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this buy now button to make a purchase. And now I have all these options. So I have to fill all these details here. So first I'm going to give a first name. So my first name will be demo. Last name will be user. Now I have to give the email ID. So my email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com, and I have to give a phone number. So I'm going to give random phone number, and this is also going to be the WhatsApp number of my customer. So this is the phone number and the WhatsApp number of my customer. Now what I need to do is I need to fill the card details. So first I'm going to give a card number. So I'm making a test purchase here. So I'm going to give a test card number and the test expiry date and a random CVC number and the random zip code. So I have filled all the required details here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on complete order. And here I have successfully created this order for this particular product of web camera. Now let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this response. So in this response, we have the site ID, we have the URL, and this URL is of our sales page. Also, we have the phone number and the WhatsApp number of our customer. We have the product ID. We have the first name, which is demo. We have the last name. We have the country code, which is of 91. And this is the country code of India. We have the email address, which is demouser@pabblytudes.com. So here I have received all these details of my purchase and the details of my customer. Now what I need to do is I need to send a notification message on WhatsApp to my customer that their order has been placed. Now for sending the message on WhatsApp, what I'm going to do is I have to set up my actions tab. And here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use an application which is Message 24/7. So I'm going to select this Message 24/7 official WhatsApp. Now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send WhatsApp template will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect Message 24/7 in my workflow. So I have to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Message 24/7, I need an API key. So for getting this API key, I have to take you to my Message 24/7 account. And here we will go to manage. And in manage, we have this option of API key. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see we have this API key. So here we can either copy this API key or we can regenerate this key. So I'm going to regenerate this key. I'm going to click on confirm. And here I'm going to copy this API key. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that here. Now I have to click on save. Now here my connection is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these tabs to send a message to my customer on WhatsApp. Now first I need the campaign name. So for the campaign name, we have to go to our Message 24/7 account first. And here for the campaign, we need a template. So first we need to create a template. So we have to open this option of template message. And in this, we can create new templates, or we can see all the message templates that we have in our account. So I'm going to click here on this all option. And here I have all these templates. If you don't have any template, then what you need to do is you need to click on this new button and you can create your template. And in the template, you have to customize the message that you want to send on WhatsApp to your customer. And after customizing that message, you have to take the approval for your template from Message for 24/7. And after taking the approval, you are going to get this approved status on your template. So this is a template that I have created, and we are going to use this particular template. So I'm going to show you this template. And here, this is my template. So in this, I have this message of, hello, your order for product name has been placed and thank you for shopping with us. We will make sure to deliver your order safely and on time. If you are facing any issue or for more order related details, you can visit our website. Best regards, Pabbly Connect. So this is going to be the template that I'm going to use. Now I have to close this and I have to go to campaigns. So I have already created a template for this FlexiFunnels sales. And if you haven't created any campaign, then what you have to do is you have to click here on this launch button and you have to select this API campaign. And after selecting this API campaign, you have to give your campaign name and the template that you want to use. So I have already created my campaign. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to use this particular campaign of FlexiFunnels sales. So this is my campaign name. Now I have to go back to Pabbly Connect. And first I have to give a campaign name. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to type my campaign name here. So my campaign name is of FlexiFunnels sale. Now I have to give the mobile number of my customer to whom I want to send message on WhatsApp. So I have received the mobile number of my customer from the response of FlexiFunnels sale, and I'm going to use that mobile number and I'm going to map that here. So I have to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I have to click here. I will open the response of FlexiFunnels, and here this is the WhatsApp number of my customer. So I'm going to map this. Now here we have to make sure that our mobile number has the country code and this plus sign in their number. So I have that in my customer mobile number. Now what I need to do is I need to give the user name. So I have to click here. I will open the response of FlexiFunnels and I'm going to map the name of my customers. So this is the first name, which is demo. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to give a space. I'm going to map the last name. Now I have to scroll down. Now I have this tab of source. So I'm going to fill the source. So I'm receiving these details from FlexiFunnel. So I'm going to give my source as FlexiFunnel. So this is going to be my source. Now I have to scroll down and I'm going to give the template parameter. So in the template parameters, I have to give the variables that I have added in my template. So I only had two variables in my template. First is of customer name and second one is of product. So my product is going to be same for all the sales that I'm receiving from FlexiFunnels, which is a web camera, because I have set up my webhook for only one product, which is a web camera. So my product will be same for all the messages. But the thing that is going to get changed or replaced is going to be that customer name. So first I'm going to give my customer name. So I have to click here. I will open the response of FlexiFunnels. And here this is my customer first name. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to give the last name. So I have mapped the customer name. Now every time I'm going to receive a new customer name, then automatically that name is going to get replaced here as I have mapped that detail here and I have made this detail dynamic. Now I have to give a comma and I have to give the value of my second variable, which is of my product. So I'm going to give my product name, which is of web camera. So my customer name is going to get replaced every time I'm going to receive a new sales from FlexiFunnels and my product name is going to be same. So I have filled all the required details and I have mapped all these details here. Now what is going to happen is, as I have mapped these details, so every time I'm going to receive a new detail from FlexiFunnels, then automatically those details are going to get replaced here and we are going to receive new details in real time. Now what I need to do is, I need to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see we have received this response. So this is a positive response. So this means that I have sent a message automatically on WhatsApp to my customer. Now to check this, I'm going to open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this message. And here the message is, hello demo user, your order for web camera has been placed and thank you for shopping with us. We will make sure to deliver your order safely and on time. If you are facing any issue or for more order related details, you can visit our website. Best regards, Pabbly Connect. So here we can see that I have used my template and I have automatically sent that template message to my customer on WhatsApp as a notification that their order has been placed. So here we can see that this was the message that I have used on my template in Message 24/7 and I have sent this message automatically to my customer on WhatsApp. So here my connection between FlexiFunnels and Message 24/7 is working successfully, and whenever I'm going to receive a new sale for a product in FlexiFunnels, then automatically I'm going to send a notification message on WhatsApp to my customer that their order has been placed. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my sales page and here I'm going to create a new sales. So I have to click on this buy now button and here I have to fill all these details. So my first name will be test, last name will be user, email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com and I'm going to give a random mobile number. So I'm going to give the same number as we need to receive the message on WhatsApp. So to check that, we are using the same WhatsApp number. Now I have to give the card number and the expiry date, random CVC and the zip code. Now I'm going to click on complete order and I have successfully created this order for this particular product of web camera. Now what should happen is that automatically a WhatsApp notification message should be sent to my customer that their order has been placed. Now to check this, let me take you to WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So here the message is, hello test user. So this was the name of my customer that I have just filled in my sales page to create a new order of web camera. Your order for web camera, so this is my product, has been placed and thank you for shopping with us. We will make sure to deliver your order safely on time. If you are facing any issue or for more order related details, you can visit our website. Best regards, Pabbly Connect. So here we can see that this was my template that I've used on my Message 24/7 account and I have automatically sent this message to my customer that their order has been placed on WhatsApp. So here my connection between FlexiFunnels and Message 24/7 is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this automation between FlexiFunnels and Message 24/7 in such a way that whenever we are going to receive a new sales from FlexiFunnels, then automatically we are going to send WhatsApp notification to our customer. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was FlexiFunnels and my trigger event was new purchase. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was message 24/7 and my action event was send WhatsApp template. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.